Limit switches play an important role to control, monitor, and view the position of the valve or to activate other system components, depending on the valve which it is connected with. It helps to make the process system transparent and, finally, more reliable. There are different versions of on-off limit switches in the market. The most common are based on the principle of mechanical switches, proximity sensors, or potentiometers. SED has designed and engineered a contact-free limit switch with magnet field measurement technology. This concept enables significant advantages for the application. All valve positions are indicated by differently colored LED lights visible for 360 degrees from a far distance. Because of the visible spindle, the valve position is clearly shown, even in a case of voltage loss. The assembly of 024.50 is an easy fit, and the positioning is adjustable by 360 degrees. It's applicable for linear stroke measurement of 3 to 45 millimeters and indicates 2 or 3 valve positions. The limit switch 024.50 is compact and space-saving, which offers relevant advantages for tight areas or manifold assemblies. It is suitable for single and double-acting valve control functions. Due to the adjustable spindle system, the limit switch fits on all SED valves up to DN100. The difference between the two versions are the mounting threads M12X1 or M16X1. There are two options for programming the final positions: programming via light or via 24-volt signal on pin 5. The signal can be applied by the control unit or an optional available manual switch called teach-in cable. The innovative product design offers great advantages. The confusing variety of possible product types and adapter kits are no longer needed because all the required components are already included in scope of supply. This enables the 024.50 to cover a large stroke range and simplifies your assembly, inventory, and avoids order mistakes. The electronic components are hermetically sealed and separated from the mechanical parts. As a result, the area with the mechanical parts are designed to be pressurized and do not need any dynamic sealing. No longer will you have the sealing problems for fail-safe open or double-acting actuators as in the past. This is the advantage of the limit switch working contact-free. Another advantage of this concept is the excellent protection against humidity and associated atmosphere problems. A comparison of dimension shows how little space is required. This allows new strategies in designing efficient valve solutions and plant process designs. The use of stainless steel insert mounting threads instead of plastic provides a very robust product which is suitable for high mechanical strains. It guarantees high reliability in the process and clean assembly. If you need further information, please contact SED Flow Control directly or visit our website at www.sed-flowcontrol.com.